Hey y'all, I'm Joy Scola and I have childhood PTSD, so my nervous system tends to stay in a state of fight or flight, like constantly. I have a lot of mental narrative that goes on in my brain, and it makes it really hard for me to just like show up and be present with whoever I'm around. This causes a lot of anxiety for me, and so I was looking for something online that was natural and didn't have like pills or chemicals, and I came across this Gya Labs vanilla essential oil, and I found out that vanilla actually helps to reduce anxiety and heal emotional and spiritual trauma. So I ordered it and I've been using this for a few days now, and I really have been loving it. I noticed that I'm more stable mentally and emotionally, and this has really allowed me to be present and tune in to those around me as well as my work. One of my favorite ways to use this is in the morning when I meditate. I will take some jojoba oil and place a few drops into the middle of my palm, and then I will place 1 to 2 drops of the vanilla oil in my palm as well. I'll take my middle finger, mix it around, and then with the tip of my thumb, I find the top tip part of my ear, reach with my middle finger to the top middle part of my scalp, and then I will gently massage and rub in the oil as I meditate or just try and focus on relaxing my body. Not only does this help to relax my mind and my scalp, but it helps to relax the lower part of my body as well, since this is actually an acupressure point. So if anxiety or anything like that is something that you struggle with, I suggest maybe giving vanilla oil a try, and I hope that it helps you.